Morning. Yes.
I would like to mention for item number 6.
You are? Your name? Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
No. This one.
Have you taken consent from the other side?
Yes.
You have taken?
Yes, sir.
Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the respondent with consent from the petitioner submits that the leading counsel for the respondent, Mr. So and so, is out of station and accordingly seeks accommodation in the matter. Stop. Prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes.
May I proceed on?
Yes.
Lordship? I beg to mention item number 8.
8 just mentioned.
Mention.
Yes.
Okay. Much obliged, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Ite, some settlement in this matter?
Your Lordship, one is not settlement. The settlement was done, but earlier, Your Lordship, I didn't appear, but there was a issue that the learned court below is not stop the proceeding.
Petitioner is not there today.
Yes, Your Lordship. Then the post after 2 weeks, then. Your Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. T. Ite, learned APP for the state respondent present. List this matter after 2 weeks
Yes.
on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, this is a joint application, Lordship. Settlement is there, Lordship. Settlement is there, Lordship. The issue is
Offense is under
354, Lordship. 323 and 354. Punishment is of up to
Settlement
1
is
year.
there.
Lordship,
Yes,
it's there.
Can it be disposed of?
Yes, Your
in
Lordship.
terms of the
Yes,
settlement
joint
state?
affidavit is also filed by the respective parties also.
Petitioner 1 is the victim.
Yes, Lordship.
One is the victim, 2 is the accused, Your Lordship.
Accused.
Affidavits are at page
44. Annexure 4.
14,
44, Your Lordship, 44.
44.
Yes,
No, Lordship, it's starting from 12 affidavit.
settlement. Oh. Affidavit,
Starting from 12 to 15, Lordship.
Yes, that's right.
yes, affidavit.
Affidavit.
Affidavit is 12.
12 and
Third.
14. Settlement is at
44.
44.
44.
Yes, Your Lordship.
All right. In item 2. Heard Mr.
J. Ginny,
J. Ginny,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. T. Ite, learned APP for the state respondent. Stop. This is a joint application filed under section 482 of CRPC for quashing and setting aside of FIR dated 8/8/2022 registered as Itanagar Women PS case number 95 of 2022 registered under section 354, 323 of the IPC 1860 and charge sheet number 97 of 2023 registered under section 354, 323 of the IPC 1860, which is presently pending before the court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate UPA, Papumpara District, Arunachal Pradesh as GR case number 95 of 2022. On the ground that the parties have settled the differences arising between them. Stop. The parties have, don't say the parties, the petitioners, the complainant, victim, and the accused has jointly approached this court for compounding the offenses under section 354, 323 of the IPC between the parties and for quashing and setting aside the subject criminal proceedings in view of the settlement arrived between them pursuant of the agreement dated 30/8/2023. Stop. Heard the parties peruse the materials of Mr. T. Ite, learned AP, before heard you write that, huh? Mr. T. Ite, learned APP for the state respondent submits that he has received no instruction to object to the prayer sought for in this criminal petition. Stop. After that, after hearing you, sir, I have say that a perusal of the joint application reveals that the same is accompanied by affidavit sworn by both the parties, i.e. the complainant stroke victim and the accused. Stop. It further appears that the parties have entered mutually into a deed of agreement dated 30/8/2023, whereby it has clearly been stated that they have settled the differences stroke disputes, and pursuant to such settlement, they are living peacefully with one another. Stop. Next para. In view of the aforesaid settlement arrived between the parties, comma, this court for the ends of justice is of the considered view that the subject criminal proceedings ought to be set aside and quashed. Stop. Accordingly, next para. Accordingly, FIR dated 8/2/2022 registered as Itanagar Women PS case number 95 of 2022 registered under section 354-323 of IPC 1860 and charge sheet number 97 of 2023 pending before the court of CJM UPR Papumpare District AP as GR case number 95 of 2022 is hereby set aside and quashed. Page 10, you will get this reference. Disposed of.
Lord, quickly about.
Yes, Mr. Panging, what are these AB?
These are 438 applications, my lord.
307341.
Yes, my lord. 307, nothing is revealed. My lord will have the FIR 15. I'm not even named in the FIR. The FIR is against my elder brother, who was a contesting candidate. Page 15.
You are not named in the
I am
FIR.
not named in the FIR. In fact, consequent to this FIR, investigation revealed even my elder brother was not involved, and now my name has been taken. My lord will protect me at this stage, and my lord will see the case diary.
Let him surrender and before the IO.
Yes, Your Lordship, the other co-accused were no doubt they were granted bail, but they were arrested. And after perusal of the case diary only they were released. So,
Let him appear.
okay, I
In
will
the
leave it.
meantime, if there is anything, you can always apprise this court.
Sure, deeply.
Item 2, or is it 3? Heard Mr. D. Penging, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. T. Itel, learned APP for the state respondent. Stop. This is an application under section 438 CRPC for granting anticipatory bail to the applicant, i.e. Shri Ashok Lamnio, who is apprehending arrest in connection with Kenewa PS case number 4 of 24 registered under section 307-341-34 of the IPC. Stop. Call for CD fixing on
Your Lordship, the concerned police station is far away from here. So it may be a mistake on your 14th, Your Lordship.
14/5/2024.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Next para. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case, it is provided that in the interim, if the petitioner is arrested, he shall be released on interim pre-arrest bail, bond of rupees 30,000, with one surety, satisfaction arresting authority, with subject, of course, to the following conditions. 1, appear, Yama, you form the sentences, I'm just giving it. Appear within 10 days,
My lord, yes, next week I will do.
within 10 days, failing which, it will be cancelled and the other two conditions. List accordingly.
Deeply obliged.
What is the next matter?
Same, my lord. He's also the younger brother. of-
Same,
Same?
same.
All right, 4 also same. Okay.
Item number 5,
Mate, please, my lord.
Yes, Mrs. Aini, I
Lord,
see
I
you
heard-
have returned back.
Please, my lords, this is a long journey, but I finally safely returned back home.
Yes,
My lords, I'd heard this matter at length on 23rd of April.
just a second. Is everybody present? Yes, Ms. Hege?
Yes, Lordship.
Who is appearing for the informant here?
Lordship, and
Yes,
in this regard, my senior instructed me to take adjournment
for what?
for filing of additional affidavit.
You see, bail applications, anticipatory bail application, the right that is given to the informant is a sort of participatory right. You cannot be taking time for filing objections and pleading. Number of occasions this matter has been coming up. If you wanted to file something by now, you should have filed it. Yes, Ms. Hege, what is the position?
Lordship, but actually here in this matter, Lordship, or a charge sheet has been submitted, Lordship, before the JMF.
Charge sheet has been submitted?
Lordship. So I have spoken to IO yesterday also, Lordship. If there is any requirement of the supplementary charge sheet, then this is under process, Lordship. They are not
But,
submitted.
right
Lordship.
now, the charge sheet has been submitted.
Lordship, already,
Yes,
Lordship.
Mr. Saini, have you heard the submission? Charge sheet
Yes,
has
Lord.
been submitted.
That's right, my lord.
So can this IAB be disposed of with direction that you appear before the trial court until then? Are you on interim in this matter?
Please, my lords, I am on interim video order 21st of
That will
December.
continue.
Please, my lords, deeply obliged, and I will abide by the
Right.
terms of the court order, my lords.
Okay. Ms.
Lordship.
Hege, is that all right?
Lordship, is it there, Lordship? I have already perused that to before the Lordship.
This is the
Information, Lordship.
charge
requisition.
sheet number.
Lordship.
All right. Yama, you can write down. Heard, Mr. Mrs. Saini, your first name is?
My lords, it's Anshuman Sahani.
Heard Mr.
Yes,
A. Sahini and D. Vaidya learned counsels for the petitioners. Stop. Also heard MSL Hegel learned APP for the state respondent and Mr. Your name
M. Tangalos
M. So and so for
for the informant complaint.
the respondent stroke informant. This is an application under section 438 of CRPC 1973 for release of the accused petitioner, I. Sunil Bharadwaj, on bail in the event of his arrest in connection with Naharlagun PS case number 19 of 2023, registered under section 419, 420, 465, 471 and 12B of the IPC. Stop. Pertinent that by order dated
21st of December.
21/12/2023, this court granted the privilege of interim pre-arrest bail to the petitioner subject to conditions. Stop. The don't say D. MSL Hegel learned APP for the state respondent submits that pursuant to the aforesaid order, the petitioner appeared before the investigating officer
Lordship.
and his statement has
Statement
been
recorded.
recorded under section 161 CRPC. Stop. She further submits that the investigation has been completed and charge sheet and the case has been charge sheeted vide NLG PSCS number 15 of 24 dated 4/3/24 registered under section 120B 419 420 465 468 471 IPC. Stop. Considering the aforesaid submissions made by the learned APP state, this court is of the considered view that this anticipatory bail application can be disposed of with a direction to the petitioner to appear before the trial court and as and when the petitioner appears before the trial court shall consider the matter on its merit, and till then the interim order granted by this court shall continue. All right?
Please, my lords, deeply obliged.
Hello.
Deeply
Disposed
obliged,
of.
patient hearing, my lords, deeply obliged.
And then I will edit the order a little, but that is how it is. You
Please,
take the
please.
copy of the order later.
Deeply obliged. my lords.
Shall I keep this on record?
Lordship,
What is it called?
this is the WT message, Lordship, from the IO.
A copy of the WT message received by MSL Hegel and APP is kept on record and marked as X.
Obliged, Lordship.
Marked it. Disposed of.
Hello. This is an application for condonation of delay of 3,125.
Yes, 3,125.
Yes, my lord. My lord, this decree was obtained by
Where
fraud.
is
my
the
lord.
other side?
It seems they are not
The
appearing.
Deori is appearing, DK Deori.
Yes, my lord.
Where is he?
He is absent today. my
Some
lord.
objection has been filed.
Objection has been filed, my lord.
Yes, so, but they are not there today and delay is also 3,125.
Obtained by fraud, my lord.
Be that, this court will
So
also
who-
have to hear the other side.
My lord.
Mr. You're Mr. J. Ginny.
B. Picha.
Mr. B. Picha, learned counsel for the respondent, is present. None appears for the respondent when the matter is called. Stop. List this matter next week on a date to be fixed by the registrar. AO is to be filed.
Yes, my lord.
No, you have filed your affidavit,
Yes,
but
I-
petitioner has to file and
the
reply.
petitioner, they have put 3 times adjournment to
They
file.
are not even there today.
So therefore, my humble prayer is that matter may, lordship, matter may be fixed for hearing on this. Because they have been taking more than 8
None
months.
appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Stop. Heard, Mr.
In Kanu.
N. Kanu, learned counsel for the respondent. Stop. It appears that the affidavit in reply is yet to be filed by the petitioner. Stop. It
Not
further
petition,
appears-
pardon, they are supposed to file rejoinder.
That's affidavit in reply, counsel.
No.
Please don't interfere when the court is dictating an order. You see, it is sometimes the court may make some typographical mistake. You can
Okay.
correct it, but wait for the correct moment. Let me finish the dictation and then you say what you want to say. Yama. It appears that on the last 2 occasions, time has been sought by the petitioner to file affidavit in reply in the matter. However, the same has not yet been filed. Stop. In view of the urgency expressed by the counsel for the learned respondent, comma, let the affidavit in reply be filed by the next stage, positively, by the next date, positively. Stop. List this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar. What is this?
My lord, this is second round of litigation wherein I have challenged the proceeding solely on the ground that the prosecution has failed to cooperate that.
Why this matter is in order today?
My lord, I am enter appearance first time for the respondent number 2, my lord. I have just filed my wakalat now.
Well, we'll fix it when
After 2 weeks, my lord.
Lord, I may.
they have entered appearance
That's
today.
alright. Regarding dates, I will.
You suggest your
6th
convenient date.
June, that is
All
another
right.
matter.
All right.
So it may be kept.
Your name?
G. Bol.
heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop also heard Ms. MS L. Hege, learned APP for the state, and Mr.
M. Doji, Madam.
M. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number
2, Madam.
2. Stop. It is submitted that Mr. So-and-so has filed wakalatnama today in
Yes.
respect of respondent number 2 and accordingly has entered appearance. Stop. List this matter
6th of June.
on 6/6/2024 for further consideration.
May we do taken up for hearing because this matter is
Next.
Obliged.
I think Mr. Gyat, their LCR and service is not complete.
Yes, yes,
Correct?
yes.
So await service in respect of respondent number 2 to 26.
Yes, your lordship.
Stop. Should I send a reminder?
Reminder, yes, your lordship.
Reminder be sent for LCR from the court of
Your lordship, the chief judicial, your lordship, it's chief judicial magistrate cum civil judge, senior division, West Siang Alo.
got it?
CGM cum civil judge, senior division, West Siang district, Alo, Arunachal Pradesh.
List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Your lordship, maybe after 3 weeks. your
After
lordship.
3 weeks. All right.
Deeply
Okay.
obliged.